Oh my god, my mac and cheese is in this shot. Hey guys, it's Amanda. I already put on a base coat and my base color today is going to be a nice bright white. So next I'm going in with my top coat and I want you to apply this and let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. It took mine about 20 minutes or so. For this next step, I cut a couple pieces of just regular Scotch tape and I'm putting them on my nails so that the corners meet right in the middle, kind of making like a crisscross X pattern. Granted, this would be way easier if I had nail vinyls of those perfect corners, but I didn't, which means you probably don't either, so you're welcome for the hack. So next I went in with my main color, which I chose teal, but in honor of Valentine's Day coming up in a couple weeks, you could always use a really pretty red or pink as well. And you just paint right over the nail and the tape. Doesn't need to be clean because you're gonna peel that tape right off. Do not let this color dry before you peel off the tape because that is how you get jagged, uneven edges. You wanna peel it off when it is fresh, fresh, fresh. Next, take your striper and starting on like the middle, on the side of your nail, like on the x-axis, you want to pull it parallel with the line that you made with the tape. Go slightly past the bottom center of your nail, like on the y-axis, and like mirror that all on the other sides, and then kind of like, wait, am I making any sense? Oh well, moving on, you can see I'm using black with hollow glitter in it, but you can really use any color that you want as long as you have either a striping brush or an actual striping polish that has that super skinny brush in the bottle, which is what I have. This is actually by Color Club, and I found it in a store, but they don't carry it anymore, and I don't know where else to find it, so I'm trying to make it last. And remember guys, always finish with a top coat because it makes your mani last longer and hides the sins. And that's it, you guys. That's the finished look. It looks awesome, except for this nail. I got so mad at it, I wanted to cut my finger off. It took me like 4 tries, and it's still crooked. Ugh. But whatever. I think you guys will enjoy it just the same. I had a lot of fun doing these. They came out really, really cute. Leave a comment down below what you think about these cute little Argyle nails if you want to give it a try. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new tutorial. And until next time, see ya!